Yo, Elo Siri, come on, we're gonna run the Elo Siri. What should I play? I'm gonna try to get a refund on this, cause that game is ass. Let's play this one. I never play Dead Cell. I'm gonna play this game on my controller. I got motion to it. I'm gonna play this. Come on, I forgot how to play this, but we're gonna. I have like 20 hours on my other account. How do I pick this up? Alright, let's run this. Let's run the joint. I run the joint. Oh, we're down here. Oh. Oh my gosh, yo, I'm actually dookie cheese at this game. How do I slide again? Okay. Okay. Give me the boat. Yo, there's a Castlevania around. Oh god. Oh, dude got packed. Oh my god. Oh god. I didn't do that. Oh yeah. Come on, let me take this one. Oh yeah. We got this shit on lock. I don't need it to open no way. Oh no. Sure. I never played the DLC before, so let's try this. Sure, we'll open this. Oh, that cool. I think can I break the candles? Like in Castlevania? No, we're gonna upgrade this. Oh. Yeah, I didn't play the DLC yet, so. Oh my gosh, yo, I actually like Castlevania a lot. I played a lot of the games. do I do here? Oh, I guess I go down here. Oh my god, they actually got the enemies to Castlevania in this? That's cool, actually. Ow. That's cool. My gosh, I'm fast now. Yeah. Alright. What the? Yo, I never seen that before in my life. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo, that's crazy. They do a lot of damage. Oh, okay. Yeah, this game too difficult, bro. I don't think I'm gonna play this shit. Yeah, that's crazy. I'm gonna leave this though. Let's play some. Oh, not yet. Not yet. Rayman. Oh, I want to continue playing this. How long has it been? 7 minutes. 6, 7. Should I play this again? Nah. Well, let's run some. Goddamn. Play some Bejeweled. Load, okay. Thank God. Oh my god, I actually know this. Let's try this game. Mash time gems. Sure. This looks fun. I gotta get that one. Oh, that's cool actually. It's stressful. Come on, I don't see any. No, I wanted that. I will wait for this then. Can I actually get the time? Okay. No time. Thank God. Got a huge combo there. really big last hurrah, I'm not gonna lie. The bronze player. Oh, okay. Oh, wow. That's pretty good. Let's run some damn plays. This is like mad difficult, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, my thing about to get filled up, my hole. Nah, sorry. Unless. Come on. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm gonna try to play another one. Yeah, 130 gems. Jesus. What can I do here? That's lucky. That was really lucky. I can get this. I can get this. Oh my gosh. Y'all ass. Oh, I can get a 4 here. Okay. I really do not right now. That was lucky. Man. Yo, like, look how much. Oh, this is not good. We're gonna stop playing. This is too difficult. Gosh, I'll play really quick. That's gonna be the Elo series. Oh, good. Oh my gosh. Y'all just see my whole background, whatever. Goodbye, everybody.